guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. So guys, in today's video I just want to talk about this celebrity breakups. They are so messy, guys. They are so messy. I'm sure maybe some other breakups now they are messy, but because those people are not celebrities, then asiyazi indaba yakhona. But these celebrity breakups, guys, they are so messy. They are really messy. Latoya Makene and Ulebu Keswa are now bashing each other now on social media. They announced that they were getting divorced, they were getting separated, and then Omunya figure, Latoya said Ulebu was abusive, Ulebu was doing all the things that you can think of. Ulebu was also financially abusive. So now Ulebu tries to get back at Latoya. She's also saying things about Latoya, even alleging that she is on drugs. Winning, you guys. Why don't people just break up and then call it quits just like that? When they break up, they have to come here on social media and confuse us. They are really confusing us. Now we don't know which side to take. But I'm not standing there as I want to say. You read a story in Apalebu. I went to the papers and said this. Latoya just signed a new deal, by the way. Congratulations to her. She's just signed a new deal, a new music deal or record label deal, something like that. But it has to do with music. And she seems really happy, guys, She seems really happy because she said at least she is going back to her first love. So her first love is music. But it's so messy, guys. Then there is Umpumelelo and Uvuyokazi. Yabona leyo. Hayi sham. Uvuyokazi said ukuthi yena she no longer wants Umpumelelo back. Angisho. Now, why is she inviting her friend to Sun City now to fight them? To fight her battles? Winning, it's going down, guys. I think she still loves Umpumelelo, because why would you invite your friend to fight your battles, knowing very well it's like you are no longer there, you no longer want the person? She still wants Umpumelelo, Sham. She is fighting and fighting. And now they are saying things about each other. Umpumelelo is even saying ukuthi Uvuyokazi was physically abusive towards him. Uthi bekambamba ngamawashini. Akuningi man, kuningi. Why abantu bangaveli bahlukane vele indaba iphele kanjalo? Why does it have to get messy? Then there was Ufortune and Usimpiwe. It's still drama even now, and it's worse. They have a kid together, they have to co-parent in a healthy manner, but on TikTok they are bashing each other. Omunye usho lokhu, omunye usho lokhu. Like, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. They were fighting over silly things, guys. But when they broke up now, they were saying things about each other on social media, Usimpiwe also said that Fortune was sleeping with a lot of girls. Like, he was sleeping with anything that he can see. She found a lot of things on his cell phone. Like, why do we have to know of such things, guys? But why? Just being in the spotlight. File stress, break up and move on with your life, No need for it to get messy. You don't have to be explaining to people why did you guys break up. Just say into yami nobani yaphela kanjani phela. because when people now try to explain, guys, they try to make it look bad, they try to make the other person look bad, and then it ends up getting messy, you know. But yes, that's it for today. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, guys. Tell me in the comment section down below, ubani omunye nimaziyo ke waba ne-breakup emessy amongst these celebrities, because wow, I'm trying to think right now, but baningi, but the three that I've mentioned, they're recent, so that's why I mentioned these three.